In this demonstration, you run the Network Setup Wizard to configure your network. You are logged on locally with a user account that has administrative privileges. If you try to share a printer or a folder and have not run the Network Connection Wizard, you are prompted to run it. For example, if you want to share a folder, click Start. Right-click My Computer and then click Explore. Right-click the folder you want to share, named Offline, and then click Sharing and Security. Microsoft Windows XP Professional displays the Offline Properties dialog box with the Sharing tab active. If you have not yet run the Network Setup Wizard, you are prompted to run it before you can share any printers or folders with other users on the network. Click Network Setup Wizard. Windows XP Professional displays the Welcome to the Network Setup Wizard page. The Network Setup Wizard displays the Before You Continue page with the following steps that you should complete before running the wizard. Number 1. Install the network cards, modems, and cables. Number 2. Turn on all computers, printers, and external modems. Number 3. Connect to the Internet. Ensure that you have completed the steps, and then click Next. The Network Setup Wizard displays the Select a Connection Method page with the following options. This computer connects directly to the Internet. This computer connects to the Internet through another computer on my network or through a residential gateway. Other. Select the appropriate option, and then click Next. The Give this computer a description and name page is displayed. Enter a description. Ensure that the computer name is already filled in, and then click Next. On the Name Your Network page, enter a name, and then click Next. The Network Setup Wizard displays the Ready to Apply Network Settings page. Review the settings and then click Next to have the Network Setup Wizard set up your network. Setting up your network takes a few minutes and should not be interrupted. The Network Setup Wizard displays the You're Almost Done page with the following 4 options. Create a network setup disk. Use the network setup disk I already have. Use my Windows XP CD. Just finish the wizard. I don't need to run the wizard on other computers. Ensure that the default option, Create a network setup disk, is selected, and then click Next. If you have more than one drive that can be used, the Network Setup Wizard displays the Select a Disk Drive page listing the drives you can use. This list of drives includes floppy drives and zip drives. Select the appropriate disk drive and then click Next. The Insert the disk you want to use page is displayed. Insert the disk you want to use to create a network setup disk into the appropriate disk drive. Click Format Disk. On the Format page, you can configure how the format will be performed. Ensure the appropriate options are selected and then click Start. A warning message box indicates that formatting the disk will erase all information currently on the disk. Click OK to continue. The Network Setup Wizard formats the disk. This could take a few minutes. When the formatting is complete, a Format Complete message box is displayed. Click OK to close the message box. Click Close to close the Format dialog box. On the Insert the disk you want to use page, click Next to continue. The Network Setup Wizard displays a copying message box. When the network setup disk is ready, the To Run the Wizard with the Setup Disk page is displayed. This page tells you to insert the network setup disk in each computer on your network and run Net Setup, located on the network setup disk on each computer in your network. Click Next to continue. Review the information on the page and then click Finish. Windows XP Professional displays a System Settings Change message box, indicating that you must restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Remove your network setup disk and then click Yes to restart your computer. This completes this demonstration.